Alright, what should we do? What should we do? Aaron's making me do these damn things. All your fault, Aaron. I'm done. I'm done with these.
I'm not.
Put them on the wheel. No, don't put them on the wheel. No, 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 no. Oh! A ladyfinger.
Ooh la la.
Yeah. I guess I could, should have bought some ladyfingers, eh? That'd be kind of cool. Martini. This is the dumbest thing you've had me do yet, Aaron. Let's just make the damn drink. Okay. Gin, kirsch, cherry brandy, lemon juice. Simple syrup to taste. Okay. Shake ingredients with ice and strain into a martini glass. Kirsch is to cherry brandy as cognac is to ordinary brandy. That's debatable. Kirsch's bitter black cherry flavor, in this case, complemented by the addition of the sweetener. We're going to start with 1 ounce of gin. What kind of gin? I'm probably going to go with my aviation. Oh, I still have a Last Straw Gin 21. I like that. Do I want to waste it on this drink? Anyway, we want 1 ounce. Perfect. Perfect. Of gin. And this gin is quite nice. Last Straw Gin 21. That was gifted to me by Stefan. Thank you so much, Stefan. Like a London Dry, for sure. It's a nice gin. It's a really nice gin by Last Straw Distillery. Okay, the recipe says 1 ounce of kirsch. All right, 1 ounce of kirsch. Now kirsch, yeah, definitely the cherry notes there, but it's very fruity and very dry for sure. And they're calling for 1 ounce of kirsch. We have a ½ an ounce of brandy, cherry brandy. I got cherry hearing there. Got another one there too, which would be fresher. Where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? Come on. You know when you got too much booze, when you can't find shit. Here it is. I need to reorganize my bar. I've got Luxardo cherry brandy. It's sweet compared to the Kirsch, of course it is. And we want, and it's thicker too. We want ½ an ounce. And that's just going to accent, the Kirsch in there. It's going to bring it to life and sweeten it up. Lemon juice is next. We want 1 ounce of fresh pressed lemon juice. Okay, here we go. I should have this pre-pressed. Would be of value. And it's pink because I didn't clean out my shot glass. I don't know, Ladyfingers, don't they have like icing sugar on them or something? Like powdered sugar on the top? Yeah, so why don't they have powdered sugar in this drink? 1 ounce fresh pressed lemon juice. The final ingredient is simple syrup to taste. Well, I guess it depends how much of a sweet tooth you got, eh? I got some simple syrup here I made. Maybe a bar. We'll start with a bar spoon and see what we get. That's like 5 ml, right? I gotta taste it. Sorry, gotta taste it. Yeah, it's sweet enough. Yeah, that's fine. Bar spoon simple syrup. I guess all it says is to shake ingredients with ice and strain into a martini glass. Okay. A Ladyfinger. Oh, Ladyfinger. That's nice color though, you know. I will give it that. I will give it that it's a nice color. And we're gonna shake it like a ladyfinger. I don't know what the hell that means. You shake it, Aaron.
I don't shake.
That's pretty good. All right, martini glass is in the freezer. Of course it is. And you always want to go with, you know, a chilled glass. It just makes your drink that much more special. And we're going to fine strain, get rid of all those ice shards. Yeah, there we go. Pretty in pink. I love it. It's beautiful, beautiful color. And actually, I'm sure this will taste quite nice considering the ingredients. They don't recommend a garnish by any means. They don't have any garnish. I would imagine a cherry, a Luxardo cherry would be marvelous. Even a lemon twist. Okay, let's check out the Ladyfinger. I'm getting cherry notes. I'm getting the botanicals of the gin, of course I am. The lemon is coming in. All right, let's see what we got here. It's not bad. It's not great. I think if you served it with some Ladyfinger cookies, it would taste better. Just saying. It's quite dry, actually. I like the color. I like the smell, the aroma on the nose. The actual taste could use a little more balancing. But it is actually not badly balanced. The lemon cuts through some of the sugar. But it is a dry cocktail. That's for sure. Anyway.
How would you improve, Bruce?
More gin. No, I don't know. I'd have to think about that. I don't have an answer right off the cuff. As I drink, I'm climatizing to the drink and I'm enjoying it more now. But it's not great. It doesn't like floor me. Floor me! Actually, add 3 or 4 of them and you'll definitely be floored. I don't mind it. I'll have to give it some thought as far as how I would change it up. Yeah, I don't think it's a martini. Just saying. It's in a nice martini glass. Okay, let's check out the Goldfinger.
No, Ladyfinger.
Oh,
Ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger. Actually, it's not gold at all.